Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well as my Ipsy Glam Bag Regular for January of 2021. I'm so excited to show you what I got in here, and yeah, so if you are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, really quick, I do want to mention that I do have a Jeffree star giveaway going on right now. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely click the link below and go enter my giveaway. I'm giving away 9 products. So let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy unboxing now. So I'm going to show you everything that Ipsy sent me in the plus and the regular, and then I'll show you the extra goodies that they sent along for me. So let's start with the plus because I feel like this is the most exciting bag. So first item we got in here is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Now I have received this in the past in boxycharm and I actually sold it, but I think I'm going to try this now because ever since I started to lighten my hair a little bit more, my hair is a little rough, so I'm going to try this. And hopefully I have a better experience than the last time I tried any kind of hair product because my hair felt like I fried it for like a long time. So I'm excited to try that. Plus IGK is like a legit really amazing brand, so I don't think it's going to do any harm to my hair, honestly. Oh, and I think it smells good too, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah, that smells like freaking fancy stuff. Next up, we have something, I've had this before in the past too, but I don't have it anymore. The Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer hydrates and balances, prevents fine lines, preps skin for makeup, oily combination, normal and even, sensitive skin. This is something I should probably try because my skin is so dry right now. It's drier than my ex's sex life, so I really need to moisturize my face. I haven't really filmed but one time in the last 3 weeks now, so my face is going through it because I haven't really been keeping up on my skincare. So yeah, here it is right here, and if I remember correctly again, that this stuff smells really freaking good. So let me see, let's take a whiff. Actually, I don't think it has a smell. Anyways, next up we have the Cover FX Celestial Shimmer Veil, which I think is like just a liquid eyeshadow, which I'm actually wearing a stick eyeshadow that I got in an Ipsy, and also a liquid eyeshadow that I got in a boxycharm. That's what I like to do, is just do a stick shadow or a liquid shadow whenever I'm doing like a quick video, because I'm about to leave. I have to go pick up my PlayStation 5. I ordered one and I was able to get it, so I'm gonna go pick it up today, and it's where I have a busy day, so I had to quickly get ready. So here's the Shimmer Veil. It looks beautiful. You guys know Cover FX is such an amazing brand. We love them, and I'm trying to get this thing out. Okay. Ooh, this is a very beautiful light topper. So definitely a good topper for eyeshadow when you just want a nice quick little look on the go. Do like a dark color and then just add this on top. It'll just add some flavor to your look. Next up, we have something really exciting, something I wanted to try. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this. I heard, oh, what was it that it compared to? I can't remember. I have to look at the wand. But I've been wanting to try this like legit so freaking much. Okay, we're just going to open it. I'm so excited. What was it that I can't remember what this compared to, but I've been, oh, maybe it was the Better Than Sex mascara, and I don't like that. But since I've been wearing eyelashes, the big chunky wands are better for getting your regular lashes and your fake lashes to mesh together. So I'm excited to try this on its own too. Let me wipe that off on my pants. I'm not going out in these pants. The last item in the bag. This bag is cute too. Dream, Shark Boy and Lava Girl. This is the Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask in lavender. I am a little scared to try this, but maybe I'll try it because you guys know face masks make me cry. And yeah, I feel like it's kind of crazy for, you know, like a 16-year-old to have skincare items, but you know, whatever. Get your money, Millie. Oh, shoot. Okay, I should have thought about that first. Oh, it smells good though. It smells like something that I got from Lush once. Okay, so it's a beautiful, oh, I didn't even show you. It's a beautiful shade. It might give me a headache because it's highly fragranced, which is kind of a letdown. I don't want something really freaking fragranced like that, but it's like extremely fragranced, but we'll give it a go. Next up is this bag. Now this one wouldn't fit. So this is the Kinship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. Bare face equals happy place. Okay. I love cleansers so much. I'm a cleanser whore. Okay. Naked Papaya. This is what it looks like. Ba-bam. Now let's do a scent test because I like to smell everything. I wish we had smell-o-vision so I can literally show you and like also let you smell. But then again, if there was smell-o-vision, I fart a lot, so you might even get that scent. So maybe smell-o-vision isn't such a good idea, but whatever. Oh, it squirted out. That was somebody busted a nut. All right, well, it has a light scent, smells good. Can't wait to put that in my shower and try it. Okay, now, next up, which this bag, super cute again. Gives me Taylor Lautner vibes. Dream, 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 you guys. We have a LaRousse brush, which you guys know these are like the over $100 5 sets of brushes, even though I legit don't believe that. Considering like, you know, this is like chillin'. You can't see that little thing, but it's a nice brush. It's really soft. I like it, feels legit, so excited to play with that. Next up from Youth to the People, Kombucha plus 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner, Lactic Plus Glycolic Black Tea, and Tree Bark Exfoliating Facial Toner. Okay, yeah, Exfoliating Facial Toner. Ooh. Okay, this is a cute little bottle. We can definitely play around with some toners. I got some cotton pads in my Look Fantastic box, so that will be great for the toner. Next up from Biro is the Salmon Cream. Ooh, Salmon Cream? I mean, it looks like there's even a like legit piece of salmon on there. Okay, I hope this doesn't smell like it. Let's just, yeah, it smells like my ex-boyfriend's girlfriend. Okay, anyways. Sorry, I'm making like jokes today. I'm just in a really good mood. My sister finally showed up last night. Okay, so I'm not smelling salmon. Thank God. Because I was about to say, ain't putting no fishiness on my face. Okay, okay. Next up. This is from Stila. I had this in a full size. I had 3 Stila lip glosses. Or Stila, these things. The Stay All Days. And I cannot find them. And I even did a declutter. I decluttered all my lipsticks. And I don't know where the 3 are. And I don't think I ever got rid of them. And if I did, I don't remember it. I don't know. Maybe I sold my Poshmark. But I don't remember ever getting rid of these. I don't know. Maybe I did. Anyways, I'm trying to take the packaging off, but this is probably going to be very difficult. But I do have to say that this stuff is very, very kind of like a lip topper, if I remember correctly, kind of sheer, but then you can build it up. I know the like darker shades were a little streaky. Why can't I open this? Okay, okay, we can get this. So, what's everyone's thoughts and opinions so far? I can't wait to show you what Ipsy sent. I was like, what? Honestly, I was surprised it didn't break in shipment, if I'm being completely honest, because it was just like laying there, really unprotected. Okay, Stila Stay All Day. We got this shade in a full size in a boxycharm over a year ago, I think 2019 actually. Beautiful color though. This is in Patina. Oh, no. I had Patina Shimmer. So this is the like actual liquid lipstick version. So I didn't have this. The other one was like a topper for it. Beautiful color. Smells good. Okay, now let me show you what Ipsy sent me. You're not going to receive this, which I feel bad about, but you know, they send me the PR. Oh, they did send this to me for free because PR. Whatever. Okay, so here's a little notebook that says Dream. It comes with a little pencil. It says Ipsy Discover Yourself on the back. This is so cute. Can't wait to write all my ideas in it. And then this is a ceramic Ipsy water bottle. I was like, what? Look at it. How cute. And then it has this like bamboo top. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to drink out of it. This is like legit the cutest thing. Oh, get ready to enjoy your new drinkware. Okay, cool. I'm like excited. How freaking cute is this? Does it, oh, maybe it, there we go. Yeah, so thanks Ipsy, you're like the best ever. Okay, so let me know your thoughts and opinions. I have to say I got a really great collection of items here. Pretty excited. Really excited about this because we love a quick fix when it comes to the eyeshadow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and yeah, thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!